2025 Mazda CX-30, a perfect blend of style and performance. Introduction. Welcome to Car Zone. Welcome to Car Zone, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today, we take an in-depth look at the 2025 Mazda CX-30, a compact SUV that continues to impress with its premium design, advanced technology, and refined driving experience. If you're looking for a stylish, fun-to-drive, and practical crossover, the CX-30 might just be the perfect choice. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Mazda CX-30 stand out. Exterior design, elegant and sporty. Mazda has always been known for its sleek and modern designs, and the 2025 CX-30 is no exception. With the signature Kodo design language, the CX-30 features smooth curves, a bold front grille, and striking LED headlights that give it a premium and dynamic look. The body lines flow seamlessly, creating a sense of movement even when the car is standing still. New for 2025, Mazda has introduced fresh color options and slightly redesigned alloy wheels, adding to its already stunning presence on the road. Whether you're in the city or on an adventurous road trip, the CX-30 ensures you arrive in style. Interior comfort, premium feel with modern tech. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that feels luxurious yet practical. The 2025 CX-30 continues Mazda's tradition of offering high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a driver-focused cockpit. The seats are well-cushioned and supportive, ensuring comfort on long journeys. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a 10.3-inch display, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to access navigation, music, and hands-free calls. A premium Bose audio system is available in higher trims, delivering crystal-clear sound for music lovers. Performance and driving experience, fun and responsive. Mazda is known for its engaging driving dynamics, and the 2025 CX-30 stays true to that reputation. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder, producing around 191 horsepower, providing a smooth and efficient ride for those craving more power. The turbocharged 2.5-liter engine delivers up to 250 horsepower, making highway cruising and overtaking effortless. Equipped with Mazda's iActivate WD system, the CX-30 ensures confident handling in various road conditions. The G-Vectoring Control Plus enhances stability, making cornering sharper and more enjoyable. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring rougher terrains, the CX-30 offers a balanced and enjoyable drive. Fuel efficiency, a great daily driver. One of the biggest advantages of the CX-30 is its fuel efficiency. The standard engine delivers an estimated 26 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway, while the turbo variant offers slightly lower but still competitive mileage. This makes the CX-30 a practical choice for daily commuters and long-distance travelers. Subscribe to CarZone for more.